In this video, I'm unboxing an iPad mini Generation 7. It is in the purple color. It has an all-screen design with an 8.3-inch liquid retina display, an A17 Pro chip, Apple Intelligence, and ultra-fast performance. Here I'm removing the top from the box, and I am pulling the tab to reveal the iPad. Now I'm showing the iPad mini user guide kit. And now I am showing the 20-watt USB-C power adapter, as well as the braided USB-C charging cable. Here I'm unwrapping the iPad, and as you see on the back there is a large Apple logo, and the color is a very, very light purple. Here I'm showing the 12 megapixel wide camera and LED. On one side you'll find the magnetic connector, and then on the top of the device you'll see volume buttons, stereo speakers. In the front top you'll see the camera. Also, there's a microphone present, and the top button has a Touch ID sensor. And then on the very bottom of the device, you have a USB-C connector. Now here I have turned on the device. You see the famous Apple logo, and then you have your welcome screen in multiple languages. You can choose your language and your country and proceed to set up from there. Now, here I have a premium screen protector. I bought this on Amazon, and I'm going to install it. What I like about it is it comes with a plastic applicator, and this one comes with an extra applicator and screen protector. It also includes your wet and dry cloths for cleaning. You have a mini squeegee, and it also has the directions. And then on the back, it shows you how to install and where to basically press and swipe your finger across the installation piece. So I'll go ahead and start with the steps. First, we're going to use our wet cleaning cloth, and then we're going to use the dry cleaning cloth. And then lastly, I'm going to use the dust sticker. So it's going to help me to remove dust from the screen of the iPad. So right now I am wiping the front of the screen of the iPad with the wet cloth. And now here I am drying it. Now I'm using the sticker to remove dust from the screen of the iPad. Now peeling off the protective cover, I'm going to install by placing the plastic applicator on top of the screen of the iPad, and I'm using one finger to swipe from number 1 up to number 3, waiting 20 seconds and allowing it to install. Now that it's installed, I am going to take the included squeegee and I'm going to press the bubbles out of the screen of the iPad. And as you see here, I tried my best, but I still have a dust speck. Now moving on to the case, I purchased this case on Amazon. It is a floral pattern and it has a holder for an Apple Pencil. So I am going to go ahead and put the iPad into the case. Make sure it's secure, and I'm closing it and showing you how it looks when it's closed. So it has an elastic band that helps to keep the flaps closed. Next, we're going to try out an Apple Pencil, and it fits really well in the case. So when you close it up and use the elastic band, the Apple Pencil nor the iPad will fall out. So it's nice and snug. So that's it. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye.